What is a vector quantity? Option C, magnitude and direction is correct. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Option C, displacement is correct. What is the result of adding two vectors with the same magnitude and opposite direction? Option A, zero vector is correct. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Option C, speed is correct. What is the magnitude of a vector? Option B, size is correct. What does the direction of a vector indicate? Option C, position is correct. Can two vectors with different magnitudes be equal? Option B, no. How are vectors typically represented graphically? Option A, arrows is correct. What is the resultant of two vectors at right angles to each other? Option D, square root of the sum of the of magnitudes. In vector notation, what does I represent? Option C, both magnitude and direction. Define the term resultant vector. Option A, sum of two vectors is correct. What is the torque produced by a force at right angles to the lever arm? Option C, 0 correct option. In the parallelogram law of vector addition, what does the diagonal represent? Option A, resultant vector is correct option. What is the role of the perpendicular distance from the pivot in the equilibrium equation for a lever? Torque is correct option. If three forces acting on an object are in equilibrium, what can you conclude about their vector sum? It is 0. A option is correct. What is the difference between speed and velocity? Option A is correct. Speed is scalar, velocity is vector. Define vector resolution. Option B is correct. Breaking a vector into components. If the angle between two vectors is 90 degrees, what can you say about their dot product? Option A, it is 0 is correct. How does the equilibrium position change with an applied force? Option A, it shifts is correct option. What is the significance of the direction angles in vector representation? Option B, direction of the vector is correct option. Define the term equilibrium in physics. Option A is correct. Balanced forces. What is the condition for an object to be in translational equilibrium? Option C, both A and B. If a body is in translational equilibrium, what can be said about its acceleration? Option A, it is 0. It's correct option. What is the condition for rotational equilibrium? Option C, both A and B is correct. Define the center of gravity of an object. Option A, point of maximum mass is correct. How does the center of gravity affect the stability of an object? Option A, low center of gravity increases stability. What is the torque produced by a force? Option A, force times distance is correct option. In equilibrium, what is the relationship between the sum of forces and the sum of torques? Option D, they are both 0 is correct option. How does the stability of an object change with a wider base? Option A, increases stability is correct option. Can an object be in translational equilibrium but not in rotational equilibrium? Option A, yes is correct option.